Dude, today has been a dang roller coaster, man. Let me tell you about it. Um, it was nuts. So we got news coming out left and right today, right? There was a lot of news. And I told the chat that in the morning, I said, I think on the watch list, I said all the news that's coming out, and then taking it very light if I do enter today. So then I still gave the setup, right? So keep that in mind that I already told everyone I'm going light, so everyone knows the game plan. It could invalidate things today, which is exactly what happened, right? So this was the entry on the first spy put that I called out, and this wick right there, boom, this wick was first entry. All right. So then we were in profits, and profit closed. I mean, this already is an ugly candle close, and then we had even volume on that candle close. So it's telling me that the bulls are here, right? This trying to push down. The bulls are holding it, and now boom, bulls took over. So this is when the bulls took over, and this is when we stopped out. Okay, so this is when I called it in the chat to stop out, and then hopefully they did before this happened. But regardless, that stop out was break even um, on this 5 minute candle, right? So on the intraday day trades, um, Kyle, my brother, also hit hood fire trade today. But look, spy puts here very light, stop loss 644.5, TP 642, and then reclaim of 644 candle close. I'm out. And then boom, I'm out. LOL. That's news for you, right? I'm out. That's all. That's it. We don't need to stay in that trade. And then later in the day, right? So Meta on my one-on-one last night, we always go over what we're looking for. And did I send him a Meta one? Let me see if I sent him a Meta one. It's Tesla, S&P. No, I did not. Oh, that would have been awesome. So anyways, yeah. Meta had this beautiful huge break. I mean, this was 740 to 760, $20 move. So I waited for this retest, and then on this, wait for confirmation. But as soon as Meta came back down to this 746 level, 747, we broke, swept, and reclaimed. So this was entry, and then this was the add. So it was actually a gorgeous trade. Um, so that's ugly. Got a little flag here, right? Boom, boom. All right, which also goes right here. So this is where I was looking to take profits originally at that 755.60 level, but obviously we did not get there. Uh, as soon as all this started happening, right, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes, I sold on this candle, which is fine. I got a little push up right here, but it's nothing. I'm cool. Take my profits and run, especially on days like today. If you're green, you're green. So luckily, that was an amazing trade. That was 747 all the way to 754. So that's about a $6 move, which is incredible. Especially one contract in the money, $6 move, make a good couple hundred. And then after that, I was waiting. I was like, all right, I want a SPY to come all the way up. I actually had a level. I had a level somewhere else. Uh, SPX. We were getting close, right? So I waited for this tap. Entered my puts. Held. Boom, and then this is where I stopped out at break even. I think it was like a $5 gain, so pretty much break even. So that left me for the day. It was just one small loss on SPY in the beginning, smacked meta calls, and then broke even on SPY. So I'll take that.